Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat and can't see. Upon the screen, CPFSA is not playing around with Rosealee because it has just been brought to my attention. They took the kids away from them. Yes, meaning Jakes will get full custody and she is very tight about them. You see, ma say, people are saying the people in the court said she don't love her pitney them and she not want them. I guess because, I guess they're following up on the series and so seeing, she and Akeem all over the place and all of these little things. You see, ma say, so right now, all of our TikTok enemies them are rejoice because what they yesterday, tongue papa and mama and them things and say you're not supposed to do those things. They say man say so the people saying this is kinda like karma reaching her. You know what I mean? So Ivany is saying she's not going to join the 8 chain and rejoice against Rosalee losing our youths them. This man say. So let's hear what Rosa said about the situation at hand and then we'll listen to Ivany reaction.
It's not easy as that. It's not easy to build a platform where people can actually come, sit and listen to you, actually come, sit and support you. I mean, I'm telling you this, I'm a fucked up individual. I'm come with me a flaws. I'm see me do some things in my life I'm not prouder. So that December the year I done, I'm not start the year with someone who know. But me don't talk the truth. Me do a lot of things in my life, but me not proud of. But you know what I'm glad say? Me have a lot of people give me chance. We can see when I do certain things, we can actually say why you do this. We can actually say why you say that. We can actually say why everything we do. We can actually say why it's been done. Yeah, people give me chance. Someone not give me a chance to explain myself and then hear someone run with it. In our day, yeah, the woman come here so with somebody to come trigger blood clot. You know what I want to run with? Me stab up my woman. Where is the stab? So help me God, me hate the woman. Tell my God, me hate the fucking woman. So say God, please help me. Yeah. I should know what she do. She ripped me up in 1,000 pieces for me young. I should know what she do. My mother and the people that around me, the weapon of farm against me. I'm not gonna leave Uno alone. When I move, I done. I'm serious. I will never, ever, ever get back a person like me in life. Because I'm genuine, I'm going to go with loyalty. Watch. Oh. All because of the likes of money. We don't get. I feel as a mother. I feel as a human being. I feel as, I don't know, I'm just defensive. Brother, people don't just accept for me. I mean, I carry that burden there from me young. Oh, she began to stay bad. She began to stay bad. She began to stay bad. Frog, weird this, yo. The bad never love me for me. I wonder why. No matter what is missing action, you don't know that, mama?
Akeem not business about Rose. Akeem only business when him want go over her yard or when she come a female and him must make a money that night the other day. Akeem busy about Rose. Rose you lose. Rose you L-O-Z-Z-E-E-E. You lose. You gotta gamble and lose.
Hey, at the right filter she have on, you know, me I tell you.
I miss to tell you, ugly likes our attitude. It's just, Star. But all she lose, what I mean? She just lose custody just we can't listen to no, you know. Hey, my blood clot bends, you know. Oh, I bends this. coop. Come I don't know why you come park here, so look how much parking there is. So I said,
oh, this lovely mess. Try Tide.
The American them disgusting. Look how much park they done the sun. Oh, you know so she lose our court case. She come tell you no? Me no want hear nothing, you know.
See crime scene, I never know movie I make. We see real blood, there's some around flesh. I miss the dog and kept on rat. Me see man I use and I try stop gunshot. Family stop, family lungs punch out. Me see my love gone and guess what? Me never yet see it come back. Lose enough things, but now I get it back. But feel empty, me heart heavier. Daddy one.
If Rosalee lose her kids them, I don't know nothing to laugh about. As much as she terrible, me not rejoice about that. And I don't wish to speak on it. So if she really lose her kids for true and she dey live a cry, from a mother to a mother, as much as me and her at it, me not go rejoice about that because anything can happen. Today for you and tomorrow for me. She lose her kids them today, me can lose eyes tomorrow, God forbid. So, you carrying the news over here, me not go laugh and me not entertain it. Anybody live, me go pan and them feel like they want to laugh about it, me a jump. Me not go laugh because me rate Drakes and me like Drakes. And at the end of the day, a Drakes pitney them same way and them a can't go see their mother. That not nice. And as much as though she careless and she just do some crazy stuff and I think before she act, she still love her kids them. How this a suck good girl look better than me. I like them girl, you know. I saw bad mind come back door. I don't like her, I don't know. My ear just, I'm going to put in one colored ear too. Right. Me nah rejoice. People can learn but not learn for your kids. Your kids then get taken from you. You must think when your penny then get taken from you, you're not supposed to see them, you know. They're not supposed to live with you, you know. Me nah laugh and me nah rejoice about that. It can happen to anybody. Them say when you dig hole, you dig two. When you laugh, remember say somebody could come laugh off of you. And me have a look Sunday where anything can happen. Me in one country where me not on the papers. Me in one country where me not on the papers. Ice can concrete me up in my car right now and me gone left ice. The greatest thing is she there at Jamaica with them. She can still probably peek and go see them 1 and 2 times. At Jamaica that auntie granny can hide and make you go see them. Me go back to Jamaica, me sure for my life, me not get no contact or for see ice. Because them won't take ice send him going father black and delete me. Me not go ever see my pitney again. So, me not rejoice. It no matter if Drakes, it no matter who want have a pitney them. Me not have nothing to say, me not laugh off of that. Chill chat. Yeah, sometimes when me just zone out of this blood clot world, you know, me don't know, me just zone out. Me not do me. Me not stress, me just a chill. You have my time when me just want to come live and just, me not talking neither. Me just want look, me soon got me appointment for my lash. Me just go on all of vibes. Me just go and look out of my life. Ridiculous, what's going on? Thank you, baby. Because I true Rosalee kids them get take with me over here, you know. And me no depend with uno depend. From a mother to a mother, I'm not rejoicing about no kids get take away permanently from the motherhood. So maybe you need to go join one next live. I go and pre my life right now. I don't have the time for foolishness. I go and chill. I don't have the time for foolishness. I don't know if I permanently. I wear people then come tell me, I don't know. I them care people them. I say come like you look so good girl. She ducky salt on the fries, you know. She must come and ask me what my name and I tell her say my girl I don't really not talking, you know. Cause me I go through my problem. Me and her talking. Me don't know if she understand and me she say like she should duck his salt pan the fry. Me can't even eat one of her fries. Like a girl just take up a salt buckle and just duck extra salt pan it. For your blood clot, look so good girl. No. I like my pants. I don't like my pants. I don't want to go pants. I don't think you go see.
Yeah, people putting in the comment section what you think about that. No, I don't see any reason why the kid should be taken away from Rosalee. Yes, she said some things that she shouldn't have said, and the court should advise her to, seek help for those things that she said, you see me? But other than that, I don't think she's a bad parent, you know what I mean? She definitely held it down. When she didn't have to, she could have, dash them away and them ting them. And ting them. But nevertheless, me just again a quick update while going for that go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest stuff. Bless.